Okay, hello everyone. This is Ranjan and you are watching English with Cockroach. And today we are going to do some activity and that is little conversations, right? And we can say that buddy talk because in this session I would like to ask some questions from anybody and they will answer. First, I would like to welcome Miss Shalvi in this buddy talk session. And okay, Shalvi, introduce yourself first.
First of all, good morning everyone and good morning sir. Myself Shalvi. I read in class 8 in Lotus Valley School.
Okay,
I live in Dalsing Sarai village Pachpaika. And
okay, okay, nice village perspective. Okay, do you like village?
yeah, I like it too much and
Oh,
also my home because of my terrace garden and backyard and front yard.
oh my
Also,
God. Oh, very nice, very nice. Okay, Shalvi, I would like to ask some questions, right?
yes.
And you will try to answer it. Okay, first tell you mentioned that you read in school.
Yeah,
Name of the school is
Lotus Valley School.
okay, Lotus Valley School. Do you like school?
Um, sometime I like school, but sometime I did not like it.
Oh my God. But when do you like it?
I like school when my homework is completed
Oh
and
my God.
anyone teachers have not doubt on me and no teachers ask me for a question or not for also board test and sometimes I think this is the real life.
Okay,
And
okay, nice, very nice. And tell me, what is your favorite color?
it's green.
Green.
Yes.
Oh my God. Why do you like it?
Because I like nature and nature is also green.
Oh, that's why.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Also, we can say that nature has everything to heal
Yes.
easily, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and tell me, do you like food?
Yes.
Of course, everybody likes, right? What is the question, right? Okay, tell me, which is your favorite food?
My favorite and comfort food is jackfruit curry that my mother made for me and my family members every Sunday on holiday.
Okay, oh my God, every Sunday.
Yes.
And you have it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice.
I
Is
have
it delicious?
tree.
Oh,
Yes,
can you
yes,
have?
yes. I have a tree in my backyard.
Oh my God, backyard.
Yes.
You have a tree of jackfruit.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why. Okay, nice, very nice. But I think its taste is very interesting. I think and fantastic. Right?
Yes, it is also delicious with some rice.
Some rice.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay. Everyone's have a person, and who is a favorite for him or her. Is there any person in your life who is favorite for you?
My in my life, my favorite person also in everybody likes their parents.
Okay. Okay.
Their parents because they are the biggest inspiration of their life because of their courageous
Oh, nice.
dedications and patience.
Oh, and like them,
Yes.
parents are important for you, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, you mentioned.
Everybody.
Everybody, okay. Everybody has parents and everybody likes
Not
their parents.
everybody, but some lucky persons.
Some lucky person, okay, I think. Nice answer. Okay, so, okay, by the way, nice talk to you. And so, Mr. Arush,
Yes.
welcome you in this session, Buddy Talks, we can say that, right? Okay, so Arush, introduce yourself first.
My name is Arus Raj.
Mhm.
I am from class 7th
Okay, nice.
and I read in Lotus Valley School and I come from village Pachpaika.
Village Paspaika. Do you like village?
Yes sir, I like it.
Why do you like village?
Because village is the sign of nature.
Sign of nature.
Yes sir.
Oh my God, fantastic. Okay, Arush, I would like to ask some questions to you, right?
Yes.
And are you ready for this?
Yes sir.
Okay, tell me, which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black. Black.
Yes sir.
Why do you like black?
Because black is tell us about the power.
Power. What kind of power?
Mm,
It's a black magic.
Yes.
Oh my God, you like black magic?
Yes sir.
Why do you like black magic?
Because it gives us too much power. And
Black magic gives us too much power
and money.
and money.
Yes, sir.
Black magic gives us money.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's a strange idea. In fact, I think. Okay, Mr. Arush, uh, everyone knows, and we also know that in everyone persons there is a person who is favorite for him, and we can say that who likes very much. Is there any person in your life whom loves you, likes you, and respects you?
Yes, sir.
Who are they?
My grandfather and my all family members.
Your grandfather along with your family members.
Yes.
Okay. Um, oh, nice, very nice. Tell about your family members. Why do you like them?
Because they are my inspiration.
Your inspiration.
Yes.
But tell me about your father.
My father is a hardworking person,
Okay, and mother,
and my mother is a housewife.
housewife. Okay. Do you help her ever?
Sometimes,
Sometimes. In which work? In which actions?
like in cooking.
Cooking. Oh my God, it's a good habit, right? And tell me about your grandfather.
And my grandfather is also a hardworking person.
Oh, nice. You read in school right now,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And you are in seventh class.
Yes, sir.
Do you like school?
Yes, sir. In some reason, for some reason.
For some reasons. Tell the reasons.
When the school give us the long holidays,
Mhm.
and then it celebrate festivals like Holi and Deepavali.
That, but oh, why are you saying this? Because on that day, the school has closed.
Yes, sir. But my school is some mysterious.
Mysterious.
Because it don't give us more holiday like other schools.
Oh my God, it's a fantastic and funny answer. Oh. Okay, do you like food?
Yes, sir.
Of course,
Yes.
everybody
Everyone
likes.
likes.
Okay, okay. Which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is dal bhat and aloo ka bhujia or chokha.
Dal bhat, aloo ka bhujia, and chokha.
Yes.
Why do you like it?
Because it is the best food for everyone.
Hmm.
And especially my mother make it. So it
Okay.
is so delicious.
So delicious. Okay, nice. Uh, tell me about something more about that food.
Food is the first thing that every person needs,
Mm-hmm.
and we should respect the foods.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. Okay, Mr. Arus, nice to talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but I have a question for you.
Oh my God, tell me the question.
So, is giving homework on summer vacation is right?
Oh my God, in school.
Yes.
Okay, everybody, do you like his question? If you like, then try to answer his question, and I'm going to answer, right? Okay, listen. As we know that vacation is the birthright for the students, right?
Yes.
But we can say that playing, spending the time with parents, and in another place, we can say that this is the also source of we can say that gaining knowledge, right? So when we busy in some work, then it will be good for us, right? So sometimes giving homework is good for their critical thinking, developing critical thinking, right? So it is good for, I think. Okay, okay, nice to talk to you.
Thank you,
And
sir.
nice question, right? Okay, now with me, she's Manvi, right? And okay, Manvi, welcome in this Body Talks.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, do you like to talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay, say loudly, do you like to talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, Manvi, introduce yourself.
My name is Manvi Kumari. My father name is Basant Kumar. My mother name is Ruby Kumari.
Okay.
My father is a train manager and my mother is a housewife. I
Okay.
lived in the Sinsrai, Pachpeka. My father is a hardworking.
Okay, nice. Do you like your mother?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice. Okay, Shalvi, I would like to ask some questions. Sorry, Manvi. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I would like to ask some questions. Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir.
But you have to say loud, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why people can hear you, right? Okay, Manvi, tell me your favorite color.
My favorite color is black.
Black.
Yes, sir.
Why do you like it?
Because it is timeless, powerful, and elegant. It is dark in sleep.
Oh my God, that's why you like it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice information. And do you like food?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Tell me, which is your favorite food?
And dal, chawal, bhujia.
Dal chawal,
Bhujia.
bhujia is your favorite food.
Yes, sir.
Do you like very much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Tell me one line about them.
Because it cooks in my mother
Okay.
and delicious and satisfying.
Okay, satisfying and delicious, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice. And we can say that in everyone's life, there is a person who is favorite for him or her, right? There is person in your life who is favorite for you,
My father and mother.
your father and mother,
Yes.
right? Okay, nice to talk to you.
Me too.
Okay, Miss Tanya, welcome you in this body talk.
Thank you.
Okay, tell me about yourself first.
I am Tanya and I read in class 6. My school name is Lotus Valley School.
Okay, do you like school?
Yes,
Why do you like school?
it is main part of life.
Main part of life. Okay,
Yes.
very nice, very interesting answer. We can say that. Okay, similarly, I will ask you some questions
Yes.
like them, and are you ready to answer?
Yes,
Because we can say that everyone has their own answer, right?
yes.
And I also think that you have also own answer, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is sky blue.
Sky blue.
Yes.
Oh my God, what do you like it?
Because
do you like
it is because it is nice color and the sky is also blue.
The sky is also blue. That's why you like sky blue.
Yes.
Okay, nice, very nice. Okay, Miss Tanya, you will tell about your favorite food,
My favorite food is rice and dal.
rice and dal.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Why do you like it?
Rice,
and dal.
rice main source of carbohydrate and dal is main source of protein.
Okay, that's why. Oh my God, very nice, very nice. Okay, tell me your favorite person in your life.
My favorite person is my mother and my father.
Mother and father.
Yes.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, why do you like them?
My mother is kind and caring. He always loves and supports me. And my father is hardworking and responsible. He always guide me and help me achieve my goals.
Oh my God, very nice answer. And you are speaking in American accent. Do you like American accent?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. By the way, nice to talk to you. So guys, we have done our session. Now we are going to ask what they feel after talking, right? Okay, Miss Tanya, tell. How do you feel after talking?
I feel very nice.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
Okay, Arush, you tell.
First time I will feel nervous, but now I feel happy.
Okay, Manvi.
I will nice.
Okay, Shalvi, you will tell.
First, I am very nervous and very excited, and but at the time of when you ask me, then I am very nervous. But after the question, I am feel very confident.
Okay, very nice. If you like these videos, please comment and subscribe my channels.